Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we'll examine intangible assets as they relate to calculating basis. A taxpayer's basis in an intangible asset is usually his or her cost to buy or create the asset. Common intangible assets include franchises, trademarks, trade names, copyrights, and patents. Where patents are concerned, a taxpayer's basis is the cost of development, drawings, models, government fees, and attorney fees. If a taxpayer elects to deduct the research and experimental costs of obtaining a patent, then he or she cannot include those expenses in the basis of the patent. Where copyrights are concerned, basis is generally determined by the cost of getting the copyright, plus copyright fees, attorney fees, clerical fees, and the cost of any plates which remain in the taxpayer's possession. In the case of franchises, trademarks, and trade names, basis is determined by cost, unless the taxpayer can deduct costs as a current business expense. The basis of some intangible assets can be amortized. Specifically, the IRS has defined a group of intangible assets as Section 197 intangibles. These are assets which must be amortized over 180 months. Section 197 intangibles include goodwill, going concern value, expenses for a workforce in place, business books, records, or other information databases, patents, copyrights, formulas, processes, designs, patterns, customer and supplier-based intangibles, licenses, permits, non-complete covenants, franchises, trademarks, trade names, certain contracts related to Section 197 intangibles, and other similar intangibles.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.